I'm Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, to do the Wi-Fi speed test and the download speed test comparison between all of these four smartphones which I got right now. As you can see, friends, so let's see which phone will be able to download faster and which will be having the better kind of Wi-Fi speeds. So this is a question which was asked by one of my subscribers asking me to make a video on this particular topic. As you can see, the reason is because just today I did receive my new router and I need to test the speed side by side connecting between all the smartphones, just checking out which phone will be able to receive or how much kind of speeds. That is what I'm going to do, friends. So right now I'll be connecting to the same Wi-Fi network, which is a 5 gigahertz network. Let me show you 5 gigahertz. As you can see, friends, everything is connected to the 5 gigahertz network only. Let me quickly show you let me change the 5 gigahertz in the iQOO device. Yes, let me show you the transmit link speed, how much I'm trying to get in all the smartphones, how much it's detecting right now. Just normal. Later on, the transmit link speed will always vary. It's not constant. It will. So right now I'm getting about in this phone, in the Realme X7 Max, 433 Mbps, and in the iQOO 7 device 325 Mbps, and in the MLNX device I think 260 Mbps. As you can see, but this will definitely be vary. It will change again, and 433 Mbps right now. As you can see, let me show you. As you can see clearly, but let's see what will be the speeds first doing in all the four smartphones at same time. Let's see which phone will be able to grab the much of my Wi-Fi network at same time. That is what I'm going to do. And all the four smartphones are connected to the same server at this point. As you can see, from same server it's connected at this point. And let's see at same time, if I try to do the testing, I'll try to do individual testing as well, but let's see that at same time. 1 2 3 get set go. Yes, all the phones I did click at same time. Let's see now which phone will be able to take much of my Wi-Fi network. That is what I'm going to see. And my Wi-Fi network speed is of 93 Mbps of speeds. My Wi-Fi network, that is my plan, 93 Mbps. And right now I'm getting highest, I think, overall in the MLNX device, I think so, sometimes. And when the other two smartphones decrease, again they'll try to increase the speed. But let's see at same time, at this moment, I'm getting maximum in the Realme X7 Max at this moment. I do know this is not the kind of a way to test exactly. So now let's try to do the test one by one. Then I'll try to do the download test as well. So let me start doing the test first in the Realme X7 Max, and let's see how much speeds the Realme X7 Max can get. And at this point, apart from these four devices, there is no other device using my Wi-Fi network at this point. Only these four devices are connected right now, and 94 Mbps, close to 93, as you can see, friends. And the upload speeds are 93.9 something I'm getting right now. As you can see, let's do in the iQOO 7 device. Let's see how much the iQOO 7 can get that speeds. So whether we'll be able to get the speeds or not, high speeds, and it's getting about close to 94. That's good. So after the new router, definitely, friends, I can feel a lot of improvement in the iQOO 7 device in terms of the speeds. That's perfect in this phone without any kind of issues in terms of the Wi-Fi. So before, with the old router, it used to be really a lot of issues and problems. But this time there is not much complaints, friends, I can give you. And now let's try in the MLNX device. The same Wi-Fi network and 5 GHz. And in this MLNX device, we are getting about 94. It's going beyond that 94 as well. It's trying. As you can see, 94.3. So 94.3. So after the speed test has been done, I'll try to do the download test as well. So downloading the game. And next is the OnePlus 9R. So let's see OnePlus 9R, how much the speeds we can get in the OnePlus 9R. The highest speeds 93. So till now the highest was in the MLNX device. You can see the download speeds. So highest was, I think, now maybe close. These both are close. The MLNX and the OnePlus 9R kind of close to each other. So yes, friends, even in the connectivity, I did notice that kind of thing. The connectivity is slightly close to each other, these two phones. And these are the overall speeds, and the highest was the OnePlus 9R, which was able to receive 94 and 94, as you can see, friends, exact same highest points. And second highest, I think, goes to this MLNX device in terms of the download speeds, you can see. So now let's do the practical download test. So let's try to download the game from the Play Store and check which phone will be able to download faster. That is what I'm going to check right now. So here's a Play Store application. Let me try to open Play Store. So here's the Play Store, and here's the Dead Trigger 2, and this is a game which is size of 539 MB. So 539 MB is the size, and let's see which phone will be able to download at what time of speed. That is what I'm going to do, friends. So first let's try basic test. Let's see which phone will be able to download first. I'm trying to do it same time, as you can see, friends, same time. So sorry, I did not click at same time in these two phones. Let me try 1 2 3. Yes, at same time I clicked in all the four smartphones. Now you'll be able to see that difference, which phone will be able to complete it fast. That is what I'm trying to observe. sorry, yeah. So let's see friends which phone. So right now at this point I can see definitely the Realme X7 Max is slightly the winner. I think 19%. You can see clearly friends in the 19%. Realme X7 Max. And the next position I think to iQOO device 16 and 17%. But the OnePlus Nord is also getting close. And the download speeds are in this Realme X7 Max 4 Mbps and 3 Mbps. And in the iQOO device 3 Mbps, 4 Mbps I'm getting in the iQOO as well. In other smartphones in the MI9X device I'm getting 1 Mbps as you can see, 1.6. I'm connecting to the same 5 GHz network only in this phone as well. And in the OnePlus Nord I'm getting about 2.7 Mbps as you can see friends clearly. So in the race the Realme X7 Max is there. And next I'll try to do the test one by one. So let's see one by one which phone will be having kind of faster download speed. That is another test which will be really interesting. But at this point, first Realme X7 Max, second iQOO device, third OnePlus Nord, and the fourth Mi11X device. I do know it's not that practical way to do at same time, but out of curiosity I just want to do at same time just to check which phone will be able to download faster. And 66%, 60 and 51%, it's still going on as you can see friends right now. So Mi11X the speed slightly decreased. That's not a problem. So this I think overall, again I'll be back after some time. Let's continue this kind of test. So slightly the OnePlus Nord also became slightly faster. I'm not sure why. So now it came up to 81% and 82%, 84, 88%. The iQOO was in the lead. As you can see, 91%, 89, 80, 91, and the Mi11X still going on with a slow speed. It's very strange. Mi11X, it's going on with a very slow speed. I'm not sure, but I'll try to check individual testings. And at this point, the first phone to start installing is iQOO or Realme X7 Max. The first phone to start installing, as you can see, is finished in the Realme X7 Max. Then second is the OnePlus Nord, and the third goes to the iQOO device, and the fourth Mi11X device. Now obviously it got complete freedom. The Mi11X will go on with full speed and it will be able to download. So this will be the fourth. So let me just cancel it. I'm trying to uninstall this game. I'm trying to install it again, checking one by one phone. So first let's check in the Realme X7 Max. So let's see how much time. 1, 2, 3. So only one phone I'm trying to use during this time. So this should be a really good example. So definitely if you're having this kind of phone, so obviously you'll have anyways one or maybe multiple phones, but you should know how much you're getting in the high speeds. I'm getting about 11 Mbps, 11.1 is the highest, 11.6. I'm trying to see the highest point as well. And either the stopwatch is also going on in the background. And 41%, 45, 11.8. It did not reach 12. So I'm trying to wait for the 12 Mbps download speeds. So 11.8 was the highest, 11.7. So let's see how much difference can it be there from one phone to other phone. That is what I'm going to check. So 87%, 91%, 96, and here comes the winner. I think let's installing. Yes, stop. 54 seconds. So 54 seconds of time the Realme X7 Max has taken. So I'm trying to write down the readings as well in the piece of paper, and let me try to reset the value, and let's goes to the iQOO device, same thing. Yes, let's see how much time the iQOO will take. Same came to download, and we'll observe the high speeds, how much the phone will be able to reach the high speeds. The high speeds in the Realme X7 Max is 11.8 Mbps. Even let me try to write down the readings, high speeds, just as a normal sake. And here I'm getting about 11.25, 11.45 Mbps download speed, as you can see on the top. So 10.68 I'm getting, not bad. So 11.56. So let's see. So in case if you want me to do any other kind of different kind of testing, so make sure to comment below friends. Definitely I can do all that kind of videos for you all, in case if you are interested. So right now the time is about, let me try to stop exactly as it is when I say the installing. 96%, 96%, it's not showing installing. 96%. Yes. So 1 minute and 7 seconds of time. As you can see friends, 1 minute and 7 seconds of time. The highest was, I think, 11.7 or 11.6. I do not remember exactly, friends. Sorry for that. So let's see what is happening with the Mi11X device. Let's see whether the Mi11X will be having that kind of high speeds or not while downloading the same game. So while connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So let's see what is happening in this phone. Why I'm not getting that kind of. Now I'm getting, yes, 10.2, 9.2 Mbps speeds. So 11.6, yes, 11.6. So 11, yep. So let's see whether this phone will be able to cross that 11.8 kind of Mbps download speeds or not. 2.6, that's so weird. Decreased again back to 2.6. So right now we are getting about 2.6. I'm not sure why. I'm connected to the same Wi-Fi network, only 5 GHz, and there is no other phone downloading at this point. Only these few phones are there at this point, and suddenly it decreased. So 2.8 Mbps, 3.1. So that's totally weird, friends, because it did not happen before. I'm not sure what is happening, but so I did make sure that there is no other phone in the room is connected to the Wi-Fi network apart from these 4 smartphones. So I did make sure that it should not interfere with this kind of testing. So 3.4. Still it's going on and going on. The phone is actually capable of high speeds, but I'm really shocked in this Mi11X device why it's happening. And 3.5. So it's kind of taking close to 2 minutes of time. So maybe at the end I'll try to test it again, friends. Only this phone, because I'm saying this kind of abnormal thing. Usually it doesn't happen like this, but let's see. I'm trying to stop it as soon as I see the install. 98. And here comes 99. Stop. So 2 minutes and 17 seconds. That's totally weird. So next is the OnePlus 9R device. Let's see what the OnePlus 9R will be able to capable of downloading. 1, 2, 3. And the high speeds I'm getting about 11.4 Mbps of high speeds. As you can see, friends, 11.4. So 11.4, it's 10. Right now it decreased a little bit. 11.5. 10.9. So 11.5. So 66% is it already done. 71%. So it's trying to maintain around 11 Mbps continuously, constant. That's good. So 10 Mbps and 11 Mbps I'm getting constantly in this phone. So let's see, friends, which will be the winner, the Realme X7 Max or this OnePlus 9R. So the installing should be, yes, stopped. 54 seconds. I think this phone took about 54 seconds and 59 milliseconds. But this phone, OnePlus 9R, took 54 seconds and 13 milliseconds. Slightly, little bit, if you notice the difference. But overall, the only thing is the Mi11X device. I'm not sure why it's like that. Let me try to do it again. Let's see what is happening in this phone. Let's check. I'm giving us as a second chance. Let's see. Because you should not have this kind of conclusion that the phone doesn't have very good speeds, because it did have very good speeds before as well. Even with my old router, this phone and the OnePlus 9R, they're perfectly fine. So right now I just gave the second chance to this phone just to see will it again decrease the speed or not. Just to clear my doubts and even your doubts as well. That is the reason I thought of doing again. So apart from that, nothing else. So let's see. So 11.6, now it's kind of behaving properly. So 11.6. 11.6, yes. As you can see now it's not decreasing. Same phone I'm using before and now, and same Wi-Fi network I connected only to the TP-Link 5 GHz network only. But still, that's so strange why it happened before. I'm not sure. And right now it's going to show us installing. Yes, 52 seconds. So 52 seconds of time, the Mi11X device took to download, friends. So this is another thing. So overall, I think the clear winner is MLNX device in terms of downloading this game faster. So 52 seconds, and later these two phones took 54 seconds, and the iQOO took about 1 minute and 7 seconds of time. As you can see clearly, friends, I'm going to write down the readings in the MLNX as well. 52 seconds in the Mi11X smartphone. So this is a quick comparison, friends, on 54 seconds, and 52 seconds, and 1 minute 7 seconds in the iQOO device. So this is a complete Wi-Fi speed test comparison between all of these four smartphones by using my new router. And in case if you have any other queries, so make sure to comment below what are your thoughts, and thank you for watching. And one more quick note, all the four smartphones, they do support the Wi-Fi 6 1200 Mbps of transmit link speed, even the iQOO as well. I did upload a separate video. Make sure to search in the YouTube iQOO Wi-Fi 6 site guru. You will get my videos, so make sure to watch those, and you'll get complete clarity about this phone, whether it supports or not. And that is another thing which I thought of mentioning. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.